Hello student of standard 7. So welcome in our new session of SS. So today we are complete our chapter 2nd. Answer the following question in brief. This is a question number 6. How many dynasties come to power in Delhi Sultanate? Which were they? The total 5 dynasties come to power in Delhi Sultanate. They were Slav dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty and Lodi dynasty. Okay. Number 2. Whom did Sultan Iltutmish declare as his successor? Why? So Sultan Iltutmish did not find any of his sons deserving the position of the Sultan. So he declared his capable daughter Razia Sultana as his successor. जो सुल्तान थे इल्तुतमिश, उनको अपने एक भी बेटे इस लायक नहीं लगते थे कि वो उनके बाद सुल्तान बने, इसीलिए उन्होंने अपनी बेटी रजिया सुल्ताना को अपना सक्सीजर यानी उम्मीदवार घोषित किया. What did Minhaj-e-Siraj, a historian of that time, admit about Razia Sultana? Minhaj-e-Siraj, a historian of that time, also admitted that Razia Sultana was more capable to become sultan as compared to her battle. तो मिन्हाज-ए-सिराज जो हिस्टोरियन थे उस टाइम के, उनको क्या था, एडमिट अबाउट रजिया सुल्ताना. वो क्या थे, उन्होंने रजिया सुल्ताना को ऐसे एडमिट किया था कि उनके अकॉर्डिंग रजिया सुल्ताना उस टाइम अपने भाइयों से ज़्यादा मोर कैपेबल थी एज अ सुल्तान. हु कम टू द थ्रोन ऑफ दिल्ली आफ्टर नसरुद्दीन, विच इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क दे दी. तो आफ्टर रजिया सुल्ताना, नसरुद्दीन son of Iltutmish come to the throne of Delhi. He ruled for 21 years. He destroyed the Shalangani force and overthrew the grip of nobles from the region. The strength like the king position, और क्या था उनका जो स्ट्रेंथ, उनकी जो उन्होंने पोजीशन जो किंग की थी वो काफ़ी बढ़ा दी थी नसरुद्दीन ने. ओके. तो जो इल्तुतमिश के सन थे, जो रजिया सुल्ताना के बाद किंग बने थे, उन्होंने नोबल्स जो थे जिनकी वजह से रजिया सुल्ताना को किंग पद छोड़ना पड़ा था, यानी लोगों ने कम कर दिया था उनकी पावर, उन्होंने फिर इल्तुतमिश ने नसरुद्दीन ने क्या किया, उन्होंने उनकी पावर को कम करते हुए किंग की पोजीशन को बढ़ा लिया. Which two schemes did Muhammad bin Tughlaq implement? Muhammad bin Tughlaq implemented these two schemes. Number 1, relocation of capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. Number 2, symbolic currency experiment, copper coins instead of silver coins. Why were the scheme implemented by Muhammad bin Tughlaq known as eccentric scheme? So the scheme implemented by Muhammad bin Tughlaq failed due to lack of particularly as well as lack of plan implementation. Due to this they were failed. Thus these schemes were known as eccentric scheme. यानी जो स्कीम मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक की जो स्कीम थी वो कुछ फेलियर क्यों हुई, बिकॉज ऑफ उनका जो प्लान था वो कैसा, कुछ उनको प्रॉपर तरीके से प्लान नहीं किया गया और प्रैक्टिकल नहीं थी. दैट्स वाई. व्हाट वाज द प्लेस ऑफ सुल्तान इन दिल्ली सुल्तान? तो सुल्तान वाज द सेंटर ऑफ दिल्ली सुल्तान. द पावर ऑफ सुल्तान वाज paramount. That means he was the supreme commander, supreme head of the executive and the supreme judge. How was local government run in the state administration of Delhi Sultanate? The local government was divided into district and talukas, which more called Singh and Parganas. Respectively, the village administration was handled by Gram Panchayat, which was headed by Mukhi or Mukar, and the clerk and Patwari helped him. Which architecture did Qutbuddin Aibak constructed? Qutbuddin Aibak constructed 2 mosques named Quwwat-ul-Islam in Delhi and died in Gajopra in Ajmer. He started the construction of the tallest minaret in Delhi called Qutub Minar, but only one floor was constructed in his time. Why did Krishnadev Rai become well known as the Bhoj of Art? So Krishnadev Rai himself was a scholar and a devotee of literature and learning. He promoted literary art in the kingdom. Like King Bhoj, he wrote several texts in Sanskrit and Telugu language. For these reasons, Krishnadev Rai became well known as Bhoj of Andhra. Next is introduction देना है मैं इनका. रजिया सुल्तान. तो रजिया सुल्ताना was a capable daughter of Iltutmish. रजिया सुल्तान थी, वो कैपेबल डॉटर थी इल्तुतमिश की. आफ्टर डेथ ऑफ इल्तुतमिश she came to the throne of Delhi. Razia was the first woman ruler to ascend the throne of Delhi. Razia had all the qualities of skilled statesman. She was fearless and valiant. She controlled the Delhi government on her own. At that time, the court of Delhi was very much dominated by the nobles, so they started revolt against Razia to seize her power. मतलब नोबल्स जो उस टाइम के उनको और मिनिस्टर्स थे, उन्होंने रजिया के रूल्स को उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. Alauddin Khilji come to throne of Delhi in 1295 AD. He was very ambitious. He expanded Delhi Sultanate by conquering North India, Gujarat and South India. He started the system of keeping permanent army in Delhi. He introduced a system of mark and face for distinctive identification of army, forces and soldier. He made administrative region like price regulation, market control and holding रेगुलेशंस. ये सब उन्होंने अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ने अपने टाइम में स्टार्ट किए थे कि अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ने परमानेंट आर्मी रखना स्टार्ट किया. उसके अलावा आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए भी उन्होंने हॉर्सेस एंड सोल्जर्स के लिए स्टार्ट की. मेड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रिफॉर्म द प्राइस. इसके अलावा उन्होंने प्राइस रेगुलेशन, मार्केट कंट्रोल एंड होल्डिंग रेगुलेशन भी स्टार्ट किया था. नाउ हियर डिस्क्राइब द आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ सुल्तानेट पीरियड. तो आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ सुल्तानेट पीरियड आर एज बिलो. नंबर 1, Sultan Qutbuddin Aibak built mosque named Qubbat-ul-Islam in Delhi. He started the construction of famous Qutub Minar in Delhi. Only one floor of his tomb was constructed during the reign of his time. After that of Qutbuddin, the son-in-law Iltutmish complete rest of the work of Qutub Minar. Qutbuddin Aibak built a mosque named Haid Inka Chopra in Ajmer, and the construction like Hauj Sammi Eidgah and Jama Masjid were built during the period of Iltutmish. During Sayyid and Lodi dynasty, the architectures like Bundelkhand Tomb and Bara Gumbaz, Moth Mosque and Shihabuddin Tomb, etc. were built. Now here, the short note. Krishnadev Rai. Krishnadev Rai was the best ruler of Kaluva dynasty of the Vijayanagar Empire. He was the great and powerful ruler of India at that time. He won many battles during his rule. He got lakes and canals, dug the irrigation in the state and enriched agriculture. He abolished some unjust taxes and gained law to the people. He established a new town called Nagarpur near Vijayanagar. He decorated that town with various buildings and temples. Krishnadev Rai was himself a great scholar. He was a devotee of literacy, art, and he was a writer of Telugu and Sanskrit. He wrote a book called Amuktamalya, and he gave shelter to many poets. He became well known as a forge of Andhra. So what is your homework? Homework, do question 7, 8, 9 in notebook. Okay, so we will meet again next session. Thank you very much.